Step one, once you've recorded your video on your device, on your phone or your iPad, for example, you need to make sure you have the Google Drive app, and you click on the Google Drive app. You're going to click on the plus button and you're going to click Photos and Videos, and you're going to look for the video, which is going to be the most recent video that you've recorded. Click on Upload. Just wait a moment for that to upload. It may take a few minutes, and once it's uploaded on there, you're going to go to your Google Classroom. So what you want to do, from your Google Classroom, so I'm now in Miss Lena's and Miss Carol's Google Classroom. I'm going to go to my Classwork tab, and I can see, for example, I have a PSHE assignment here, and on this Google slide it's all the instructions and all the videos that I need to watch. And then I can see I have a task, and the task is to create a video answering this question about what are human rights and what human right I would add to the list of human rights and so on. So I've already had a look at that, and I've prepared a video. So in order to upload that video, I'm going to click on View Assignment, and I'm going to click this button here, which is Add or Create. And from that video I've just uploaded, I'm going to click Google Drive, because that's where I've uploaded the video to, my Google Drive. My video is just here, okay? So I'm going to click Add, and I'll just wait a moment for that video to upload. And now it's uploaded, and now I can click Hand In, and that's all I need to do. Click Hand In again. So now my video is uploaded to Miss Carol for her to have a look at and give me some feedback on. And if I want, I can watch my video again by clicking on it here. Human rights are basic rights that we all have from the moment we're born to the moment we die. Now if there's anything I want to change on this video, or I'm not happy with that video, I can click Unsubmit and then go through the process of making a new video and uploading it. Okay, and that's all there is to it.